The config error tells you the drive can't enable the output because something in your configuration is incorrect or incomplete. And because there are so many options in the WEG CFW300 drive, it would normally be a daunting task to figure out what the issue is. The good news is the CFW300 drive tells you exactly what the problem is in parameter 47. This drive is showing a config error, so let's go to parameter 47. And we see the error code is a 4. So we bring up parameter 47 in the programming manual, and it says 2 or more digital inputs have been programmed as a stop function. Now you could poke around the digital inputs using the drive's HMI keypad, but it's so much easier to see what's going on using the free WEG programming software. My computer is connected to the drive using the optional USB module, but any of the COM modules will work the same way. I just click on the quick parameter monitoring to bring up this dialog. Now, even though I'm connected via USB, it appears as a serial port to my PC, so I select this guy. The PC's device manager tells me it's on COM port 13, so I put that here. These are the drive's default COM settings, so I'll hit test to see if we can connect. Yep, the device is online, so I hit OK. And just like that, I can now see all the parameters on the drive. Let's go back to parameter 47, and sure enough, we see it's a 4. And look, it also tells me exactly what the problem is. 2 or more digital inputs are set to a 7, which is a stop function. So I'll search on DI for digital input, and sure enough, digital input 3 and 4 are both set to a 3-wire stop, which confuses the drive because it doesn't know which one you want to use. If we change one of those to not used, wait a minute, we still have a configuration error. Well, let's go back to parameter 47. It's got a new error code that says we have a digital input program for start without a corresponding stop, or the opposite, which is exactly our issue. We have a stop and no start. So let's search on DI again, and we see that we have a 3-wire stop without a corresponding 3-wire start. Let's change this guy to a 3-wire start, wait for it to take effect, and now the configuration error is gone and the drive's ready to use. So how cool is it that this drive held my hand and walked me step by step all the way to a solution? I love that feature. Again, you could do the same thing from the drive's HMI keypad and using the manual to read parameter 47 results, but using this free WPS software is so much quicker and easier that spending a few bucks on a COM module is definitely worth it. So, the bottom line is, if you get a configuration error, go to parameter 47 and it'll tell you exactly what the issue is. Click here to learn more about the WEG CFW300 variable frequency drive. Click here to learn about Automation Direct's free award-winning support options, and click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified when we publish new videos.